In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to work with text in PowerPoint, step by step. Whether you're creating a school presentation, a business slideshow, or just getting started with PowerPoint, understanding how to insert, format, and customize text is one of the most important skills you can learn. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add text boxes, change fonts, adjust sizes, apply bold styling, change colors, and align your text professionally. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint guides. All right, let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can open a new blank presentation or use an existing one. Once you're inside your presentation and looking at your slide, the first thing we're going to do is insert a text box. To do that, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab allows you to add different elements to your slide, including images, shapes, charts, and of course, text. After clicking Insert, look for the Text Box option in the toolbar. Click on Text Box. Now your cursor will change, allowing you to draw a text box anywhere on your slide. Next, move your cursor onto the slide, click, and drag your mouse to create the text box. You can drag and drop to make it as large or as small as you like. Once you release the mouse, your text box will appear on the slide. Now, simply click inside the text box and start typing. You can type a title, a sentence, bullet points, or anything you need for your presentation. This is the basic way to add text anywhere on a PowerPoint slide. Once you've typed your text, let's format it. Click and drag your mouse over the text to select it. When the text is selected, you can start customizing its appearance. One quick way to change the font is to right-click on the selected text. A formatting menu will appear. From here, you can choose a different font style. Select the font that matches the look and feel of your presentation. Next, let's change the font size. With your text still selected, go to the Font Size drop-down in the toolbar at the top. Click on it and choose a new size. If you want to quickly make the text larger, you can also click the Increase Font Size button, which automatically makes the text bigger step by step. If you want to make your text stand out more, click on the Bold button in the toolbar. This will instantly make the selected text thicker and more prominent. Bold text is great for headings or important points. Now let's change the font color. With the text selected, click on the Font Color option in the toolbar. Choose any color you like from the palette. You can match your brand colors, presentation theme, or simply choose a color that improves readability. Finally, let's adjust alignment. With your text selected, look for the Alignment options in the toolbar. You can align your text to the left, center it, align it to the right, or justify it. Center alignment works well for titles, while left alignment is usually best for paragraphs or bullet points. And that's how you work with text in PowerPoint. You've learned how to insert a text box, type text, change fonts, adjust size, apply bold formatting, change font color, and align your text professionally. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tutorials and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.